Hello and good evening, everybody. Say hi. Yeah, the kids here are good at it. That's what I want. Loud, energetic hi from everybody. Okay? Parents or students, does not matter. Hello, everyone. Say hi. That's like it. Have you been sitting for too long? Okay, I would like you to stand up. Everybody. No, I'm serious. We're doing the national anthem, ladies and gentlemen. To start this beautiful evening, we're going to do the national anthem. Is everyone ready? I see people. Wait. Excuse me, please. I still see people who are still moving, not settled. Everyone in attention, please. Yes, and now.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I always plan that I will say this, and I always stop myself because I know that someone will take initiative. Who was it this time around? Sir, thank you so much. Thank you. Well, namaskar. Good evening, everybody. Good evening to all the players, all our dignitaries, and all the stakeholders who are present here for this very special evening on behalf of Sakar Media Group. I welcome you all to this grand awards and accolades ceremony of Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar Schoolympics 2025. All of us have gathered here to celebrate and rejoice your support. The support towards this new platform for our young and emerging sports personalities. So here we are for the final awards of the 8th edition of Schoolympics, an initiative of Sakar Media Group, and we hope to sign off on a very flourishing note. I see very energetic students and more energetic parents here in this room. So I'm very enthused about that. As we run to that, I would like to congratulate all the winning schools for clinching the respective titles. The feeling of victory is always wonderful, and it is evident from the smiling, satisfied faces that I see a lot of victors here. However, the journey, as they say, is also very important and significant. These are two very important sides of the same coin. At Schoolympics, we've endeavored to bring a smile on every young face who has participated in this tournament for 8 editions now. It is said that the journeys are more important and joyful than the destinations. It does not matter if you win or you lose. So the journey of each team playing in this tournament is and has been and will always be very important for all of us. The spirit of sportsmanship is what we hope for our young children to learn, embody, and practice. Along with the objective of creating a platform for students, we have also tried to create awareness for a lot of sports among schools through the teachers, children's, parents. We feel that education and sport can go hand in hand so that every child gets both in a balanced manner so as to then firm it up nicely as an important part of their schooling journey. This will not only help every child have a well-rounded profile, but also when they come out of school, they'll be better people. And also provide a very strong platform to build upon, persevere, and try to become India's sports champions. I'm pretty sure one big gold, silver, bronze medal winner in Asian Games or Olympics probably is sitting here in this room. Yes? We just heard these kids, the very excited bunch, and they are confident that they'll get a medal. Other kids in the room will get big medals, yes? Well, Schoolympics has been different from the customary rituals, of felicitating the winners. We think that it's also important to acknowledge, honor, and respect the commitment, passion, dedication, competitiveness, and grit that is displayed by each participating child in their respective school in this tournament, thus keeping the spirit of sportsmanship alive. Winners emerge as winners not only due to their strength, but also due to their quality of opposition that they play. That we believe is also a very significant and an important part of this whole journey. Therefore, with due respect to each team and individuals who have participated from the opening to the last rounds, through the incremental stage, right up to those who reach the finals, we would like to applaud all the contribution done by each and every player who did their bit in making Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar School Olympics 2025 a very big success. To all the students who played in this tournament for a month, can we have a huge round of applause for every player who came in, participated, did their best. Some of them may have won, some of them may not, but the spirit that they played with is really something we would like to appreciate. We would also like to take this opportunity to appreciate and thank our sponsors and partners for this 8th edition of School Olympics. We're grateful to Poonawalla FinCorp for being our partner and a very strong partner as a chief sponsor and presenting partner for 2025 as well. Also, we've received unflinching support from our other sponsors and partners alike. I would like to mention SB Realty, Messrs. BG Chitle Dairy, Bhairavi Pure Veg, Abhijit Kadam Sports Development Center, Bharti Vidyapeeth, Trinity, Blue Ramp, W18 Sports Universe, Aksharvale Books and Stationery, DPU Super Specialty Hospital, BizSecure Labs, Net Protector, NPAV, and Sports First Ventures Private Limited. Can we have a round of applause for all our partners? And to bring out the efforts that went behind the School Olympics, I would now like to touch upon a few points. I would like to tell you a few things. These few pointers will tell you the journey of School Olympics. Just a glimpse of it and the humongous effort that goes behind making this event possible and a success. It's a tournament that goes on for 30 days. It goes on for a month. And can anyone guess how many entries do we get for this? Any guess? Wild guess. How many entries do we get for School Olympics? 1,000? Who thinks 1,000? Who thinks it can be more than 1,000? Some people think it can be more than 1,000. Who thinks it can be 5,000? Does anyone? Okay, 5 people. I would like to tell you that we received more than 25,000 entries. More than that, not 25,000, more than 25,000 entries from 550 plus schools. 550 plus schools. That's a very big number from the whole of Pune district. And the number of sports that we were playing were 23. We had 444 events. And the medals that were awarded were 2,463. That's a big number. These are the medals that we awarded. And to conduct this massive tournament for a month, of course, a lot of people have helped, but it took 25 different venues to make it possible. It wasn't possible at one venue. 25 different venues helped us make this possible. Can we hear it for all the effort that has gone behind making this possible? They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. I can say a lot of things, but it's better to probably show you on screen what really happened in these last 30 days. We would like to show you an AV here. it is impossible to do it, to put 30 days and so many participants in a 2-minute video. But we've tried, and it is now time to tell you who were the winners, what really happened, and what is the result of this 30-day period. And to set the ball rolling, to start everything, I would like to now call on stage Sri Hemant Vandekar from Sakar. He's the head of new initiatives. Sir, may I please request you to join us on stage? एक बार जोरदार तालियां, please, everybody, all the way till the back. People at the last row, yes. I need to see hands together.
Good evening, everyone, and I'm really happy to see many smiling faces of students, parents, and even our partners also, because they are enjoying this environment. You must have heard what the figures are, so I won't be speaking about that. पण ज्यावेळेला सकाळ वृत्तपत्र समूह हे करतं आणि वृत्तपत्र समूह ज्यावेळेला अशा स्पॉटिंग इव्हेंटला एवढ्या मोठ्या प्रमाणावर सातत्यानं 2014 सालापासून 8व्या सीझनपर्यंत घेतं आणि दरवर्षी साधारण 25-30 हजार मुलं येतात. एकच भावना आहे की आपल्या पुण्यामधून साधारण पुढच्या 20-25 वर्षामध्ये एक तरी ऑलिम्पियन व्हावा, ही मनामध्ये प्रामाणिक इच्छा आहे. जस्ट टू टेल यू, द अदर डे आय वॉज ऑन अ सायकलिंग ग्राउंड, आणि तिथे घरातली 2 भावंडं होती आणि एक मोठा होता, एक लहान होता. आणि मोठ्या भावाकडे बघून सायकलिंगला सुरुवात केली आणि याच वर्षी त्या दोघा घरातल्या भावंडांनी गोल्ड मेडल जिंकलं वेगवेगळ्या कॅटेगरीजमध्ये. नवले त्यांचं नाव. म्हणजे ही जी भावना आहे ऑफ ओनिंग स्कूल ऑलिम्पिक्स और ओनिंग अ स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन इज व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन पुणे. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी फॉर दॅट पुणेकर्स असतील, आपण सगळेजण एकत्र येता आणि एवढ्या मोठ्या प्रमाणावर ही कॉम्पिटिशन घडवता. आणि हेच महत्त्वाचं आहे की लोकांनी इन्स्पायर व्हावं, लोकांनी खेळावं, आनंद घ्यावा, काही गोष्टी शिकाव्यात. तर ह्याच भावनेनं स्कूल ऑलिम्पिक्स केलं जातं आणि त्याचा उत्तम प्रतिसाद तुम्ही लोक देतात. इथं बसलेले सगळे जे माझे सहकारी आहेत, माझे जे याला बॅकिंग देतात, तुमचे मनापासून धन्यवाद. आणि मनापासून त्यांची सगळ्यांची भावना एकच असते. इथे खेळाडू आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या असोसिएशन्स आहेत, प्रिन्सिपल्स बसलेले आहेत की मुलांनी खेळावं, त्यांनी घडावं, काही बदल चांगले व्हावेत. तर याच भावनेनं स्कूल ऑलिम्पिक होतं. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. जे जिंकल्या आहेत, नुसतं पार्टिसिपेशन जरी केलं तरी मी म्हणेन की खूप आनंद आहे याच्यामध्येच. याच भावनेने आपण करतोय. सो थँक्यू सो मच. आणि आता आपल्याला सगळ्यांना प्राइजेस कळतीलच. थँक्स अ लॉट.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. दोस्तों, कुछ चीज़ें और मेरे को याद आई है, बताता हूँ आपको. हाउ मेनी टीम मैचेस डिड वी डू? 925 टीम मैचेस. थैंक यू. 9,652 individual matches, 1,507 heats, 900 plus match officials, referees and umpires were used to make it possible. And apart from that, we had 1,000 plus volunteers to conduct these games for 30 days. It is a massive task, and of course, we couldn't have undertaken a task like that without the gratifying support of our sponsors, and we would like to thank them. I would like to start by Poonawalla FinCorp. They are, by the way, a big player in their field as well. They are a big player. Poonawalla FinCorp Limited is a Cyrus Poonawalla Group promoted non-deposit taking, systematically important non-banking finance company, registered with the Reserve Bank of India. The company started operations nearly 3 decades ago and is listed on the BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India. The company has assets under management of 47,701 crores as on, you can, yeah, of course. A homegrown company doing so well. This is as of September 30th, 2025, and it employs 5,081 people. The company's financial services offering include loan against property, business loans, gold loans, consumer durable loans, education loans, digital personal loans, prime personal loans, commercial vehicle loans, mid-market and NBFC loans, pre-owned car loans, loans to professionals, machinery loans, medical equipment loans, and shopkeeper loans as well. Today, we are graced by the presence of our chief guest, the CHRO and head of artificial intelligence at Poonawalla FinCorp Limited, Mr. Harsh Kumar. May I request all of you to join your hands together for him, and sir, may I request you to please join us on stage. And I'll request Hemant sir to please thank him on behalf of all of us and of course Sakar Media Group. Sir, may I please request you to say a few words? So many kids. I'll hold this for you.
Good evening to everyone. It is an honor and a privilege to be here again. Eighth season. This is my second time that I've come here. From Poonawalla FinCorp, it's a pleasure to see so many young kids participating. 25,000 plus, and winners are here. I would like to thank all 25,000 kids who participated, ensured that this event is big. We have a lot of learning to do from all of you. We want to inculcate that same sportsman spirit within the organization. So every one of you, each one of you kids inspire us to do better and to aim for the moon, so to speak. And we are privileged and honored to also have parents amongst us who have definitely given sweat and blood to ensure their kids succeed, participate, and know that even if they don't win the medal, it doesn't really matter that much. Winning a medal does count, but even if you don't, it's a matter of pride just to participate and challenge anybody and everybody in this world. And that's the sportsman spirit. Hats off to all of you. I would like to thank Sakal. We have been partnering with them for over a long period of time. It's indeed a pleasure just to see the scale that they operate at, to get so many schools participating and ensuring that each and every one of you gets an opportunity to do best at what you do. And it's, again, as I said, overwhelmed and inspired by each and every kid who's here today. I would like to thank the umpires, the referees, and other partners who ensured that through their contribution, this dream of India achieving lots of gold medal in Olympics is kept alive. I would like to just sign off, and I don't want to hold everybody back, by remembering the Olympic motto of Citius, Altius, Fortius. And I wish all of you to be Citius, Altius, Fortius. Thank you.
I see a lot of phones have gone up. I think people are trying to Google what that means. Yeah? Okay. All right. We would now also like to call Mr. Ankush Bansal, Mr. Devesh Agrawal, and Ms. Krishna Vaidya from SB Realty. May we request all of you to join us on stage. Our associate partners, SB Realty. Can we hear it for SB Realty once? I would also like to call on stage Mr. Amar Dighe from PG Chitle Dairy. Sir, can we please have you on stage? Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Our associate partners, BG Chitle Dairy. Everyone's favorite in Pune, right? Come on, a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to call on stage from Bhairavi Pure Veg. We thank Mr. Rahul Murkute, the owner and managing director, but he's not here. On his behalf, Mr. Rajveer Murkute. Sir, can we please have you here? All right. We would like to call Mr. Kuldeep Gaikwad from Abhijit Kadam Sports Development Center, Bharti Vidyapeeth. Sir, requesting you to please join us on stage. Our ground and venue partner. There's a very important contribution again. Can we hear it for Mr. Gaikwad? Do we have a representative from Trinity? Trinity? All right. From W18 Sports Universe, may I request Mr. Rishikesh Kulkarni and Mr. Sushil Jadhav. Mr. Jadhav is here? No. Mr. Rishikesh Kulkarni from W18 Sports Universe, Shuttle Pro Badminton Academy. Sir, thank you so much for all your support and making sure that our players are having a good time while they're playing the tournament. And to make this event possible, to organize it, I would like to call on stage from Blue Ramp, Mr. Srirang Kaparde. Sir, can we please have you on stage? It's Srirang and his team at Blue Ramp that made it all possible in organizing the event. It's a huge task. Look at Srirang, he's not slept for last 30 days. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, everybody. Now, may I please invite Mr. Vittal Vandre, Managing Director, Aksharvel Books and Stationery. Sir, are you here? No. We'll move on to, from DPU Super Specialty Hospital, Dr. H.H. Chavan, Medical Superintendent at DPU, our medical partner, our health partner, ensuring that everybody is fit and fine and is good to go. And now our cybersecurity partner, Mr. Sachin Hingne, Head of Corporate Communications at BizSecure Labs, Net Protector, NPAV. Thank you so much, Mr. Hingne. We would also like to thank our tech partner, Sports First Ventures. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to tell you the champions. Are you ready for that? These 8 girls here are the most excited. I need same excitement from the whole room. Are you ready? They're still louder. Okay, I am going to tell you. We're starting with the champion girl, okay? The champion girl. And to do the honors, we already have Mr. Harsh Kumar here. The champion girl, ladies and gentlemen, of Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sarkar Schoolympics 2025 is Kavya Risbud. There she is. Taliyan rukni nahi chahiye, okay? All the way till the back. Kavya is from Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium School, Heron 1A. Let me tell you, why is she the champion? Kavya has bagged 12 medals in swimming, 12 medals. This includes 10 gold medals and 2 silver medals, single-handedly winning 56 points for her school, which has helped the school win the 3rd position overall, the Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium School, Heron 1A. Congratulations and very well done. Indeed, the champion. Kavya, would you like to say something?
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Kavya Kedar Rizbud. I am honored to receive this Golden Girl Award by Sakar Schoolympics. I am a national level swimmer and I train at Harmony Aquatic Club. I study at Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium Primary School in 8th standard. Firstly, I would like to thank the management of my school, respected Chavan sir and Joshirao sir for showing trust and confidence in me. Also my school principal Suraksha teacher, my class teacher Gaurangi teacher, Sandeep sir, Suresh sir, More sir and all other sports teachers and my dear friends. Without their support, this wouldn't have been possible. I am also very grateful to my swimming coaches Bhupendra Achrekar sir and Narendra Achrekar sir for their relentless efforts in pushing me at this level. Last but not the least, I am also very thankful to my parents for constantly motivating me and standing with me through all the highs and lows. I have been participating in Schoolympics for the past few years, and it is a really challenging and well organized competition. This competition encourages young athletes and is a very good initiative towards sports. It creates awareness about sports through school levels in making future Olympians. To my fellow students who might be hesitant to pick up a sport, I encourage you to take that first step. Don't see it as a time away from your books, but as an investment in your mental clarity and character. You don't have to be the best to start, but you have to start to be the best version of yourself. Receiving this award from Sakar and the sponsors is not just a recognition of my past efforts, but also a fuel for my future ambitions. It reminds me that hard work is seen and valued. I promise to keep pushing my limits and to carry the spirit of sportsmanship in everything I do. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
एक बार जोर से काव्या के लिए आवाज करो. Come on, everybody. That's our champion right there. Whew. Now tell me one thing. Is there a connection between this last name Achrekar and being good at coaching? Achrekar sir यहाँ पर हैं क्या? Sir, congratulations to you too. एक बार जोर. मतलब मेरे अंडरस्टैंडिंग में तो आचरेकर्स एंड कोचिंग मतलब you know what I'm saying, right? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time now to call the champion boy. The champion boy of Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar Schoolympics 2025 is Master Arnav Kadu. There he is from Singhad Springdale Public School, Vadgaon, Budruk. Now let me tell you the achievement. 11 medals in swimming. 11. Out of which 10 are gold and 1 is silver. This contributed 53 points to the school's point tally, and that has helped the school reach to the top position. Arnav, we want to listen to you.
Good evening, everyone. I, Arnav Seema Ramdas Kadu from Singhad Springdale Public School, take immense pride in receiving the award of Champion Boy for 3 consecutive years. Standing here today filled with immense pride and gratitude, I feel honored to share this moment with all of you. Winning so many medals and being recognized for my performance is not just my success, but a reflection of unwavering support, guidance, and encouragement I have received from my school, my parents, my teachers, and my peers. This medal symbolizes more than just victories, but I must emphasize that the journey was not walked alone. My teachers have been my mentors, inspiring me to push my limits and believe in my abilities. My classmates and friends have cheered me on, making every step of the journey memorable. My family has been my rock, standing by me through thick and thin. To my school, thank you for giving me a platform to dream big and aim higher. The values instilled here are the foundation of my success. Lastly, I want to dedicate this victory to everyone who has believed in me. Thank you everyone for your support and encouragement. Thank you for celebrating this moment with me. I promise to continue striving for I promise to continue striving for excellence and making my school proud. Thank you.
बिफोर आई लेट यू गो, मैंने आपको पहले भी कभी देखा है क्या? लास्ट टाइम भी आप स्कूल ओलंपिक्स में आए थे? क्या लास्ट टाइम भी आप चैंपियन बॉय थे? एक बार 2 years in a row, 3 years in a, देखो वो आप उनकी टीचर है, स्कूल प्रिंसिपल है, प्राउड प्रिंसिपल सिटिंग राइट देयर. एक बार स्कूल के लिए भी तालियां बजा दो. There you go, buddy. Congratulations. Champion 3 years in a row. वो एक सिल्वर क्यों छोड़ दिया? मतलब अब तो मेरे को ये लग रहा है. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we had asked for Mr. Rajveer Murkute, who wasn't here, but now I'm told he's here. Sir, can we please have you here? From Bhairavi Pure Veg, our food partners. तालियां बजाओ दोस्तों, food is the most important thing, okay? Thank you so much. And Harsh sir, I'll request you to please be seated now. No, sir, we'll not let you go so easily. Of course, we'll tell you more winners as well, but we also want to thank the people who helped us conduct this event flawlessly. Be it any sports routine, it looks easy, but it's never easy to make sure that this tough competition that our students are having, sometimes the fight is neck to neck, to make sure that all the points are scored right. And in all these games, thousands of games, right? These people have made sure that we do that well. And for that, we would like to thank them. I would first like to call on stage the representative from District Sports Office, Pune. Do we have a representative from there? From DSO, Pune? All right. Do we have a Pune District Basketball Association representative here? May I please request you to join us on stage? Thank you so much, sir, for all your support. Wow. Thank you, sir. That was a slam dunk. May I now invite the Pune District Cricket Association representative. The Pune District Cricket Association. Pune District Football Association representative. Representative from Pune District Kho-Kho Association. Do we have someone from Pune District Kabaddi Association? All right, Pune District Volleyball Association. All right, they're not here right now. Okay, never mind. Thank you so much. Oh, there he is. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much, sir. Now let's call some more players on stage. So, friends, winning is very, very important and we all cheer for the winners, but we should know that encouragement to participate and compete to achieve the excellence is also very important. Hence, we wish to thank and appreciate the schools that were a part of the top 10 list on the medal tally, but unfortunately couldn't make it to the top 3 champion awards. please allow us to share a token of appreciation on behalf of Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar School Olympics 2025, powered by. And for that, I'll request Hemant sir to now felicitate number 15, Abhimanyu English Medium School, Varje. They're not here, I'm told. Number 14, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Bhugaon. Do we have a representative? Walnut School, Shivni. Walnut School, Shivni. Lok Seva E-School and Junior College. Lok Seva E-School, Pashan. Is anyone there from that school? From Lok Seva? Okay, never mind. Symbiosis School, Prabhat Road. Anyone from Symbiosis? Okay. Dr. Kalmari Shamrao High School, Erin 1A. Yes, please. Join us on stage. And Lok Seva English Medium School and Junior College, Pulgaon, Pune. Do we have someone from there? If you're there, raise your hand up. Okay, there he is. May I now invite Mr. Sachin Hingne and Dr. H.H. Chavan to please come on the stage to do the honors. And I would like to call on the representative from Anjali Bhagwat Shooting Academy, Pune. Do we have someone from there? Pune District Amateur Aquatics Association. Sir, please join us on stage. Do we also have someone from Pune District Archery Association? Anjali Bhagwat Shooting Academy, Pune. Thank you so much, sir. Do we have someone from Pune District Amateur Athletic Association? District and Metropolitan Badminton Association. Do we have someone from the Badminton Association? Pune City Amateur Boxing Association. Pune District Chess Circle. Do we have somebody from there? Representative from Chess Circle. Okay, finally, Cycling Association of Maharashtra. Do we have someone from there? All right, we'll now move on to school that is next school in this category. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Boys Military School, Phulgaon, Pune. Representative is here already. Yes. Please join us on stage. Please come. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए इन सारे players के लिए representing their school at such a big level. Lok Seva English Medium School and Junior College, Phulgaon, Pune. All right, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Boys Military School, Phulgaon, Pune. Seva Southern English Medium School, Eranvane. Seva Southern, aa jaiye. They stood 7th, very close to winning because the competition was, of course, very, very close. Look at these medals on their chests. There's so many achievers in these schools. So many gold medals, so many silvers here. Congratulations, very well done. एक बार इनके लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए, everybody. Come on. And I would like to thank both of our dignitaries. Sir, you may now be seated. I would now like to call on stage Mr. Srirang Kaperde from Blue Ramp. Sir, can we please have you on stage? From W18, can we please have Mr. Rishikesh Kulkarni? And Mr. Kuldeep Gaikwad, sir, can we please invite you as well? All right, and the school that I'm going to call on stage, ladies and gentlemen, is school that stood sixth in this whole tournament. It's from Bhilarewadi, Aryan's World School. Where are you, Aryan's World School? Make some noise! Students from Aryan's World School, Bhilarewadi. एक बार जोर से तालियां होनी चाहिए इनके लिए, everybody. Come on. Round of applause. Number 6. What an achievement. Well done to all the players from Aryan's World School. Now position number 5. I'm going to call on stage Sahyadri National School, Varje. सह्याद्री के सारे बच्चे एक बार आवाज करो जोर से. Okay, I know where you are. Wow, look at this auditorium. The whole auditorium is packed and the aisle is also full. There are people at the gate. यहाँ इस ऑडिटोरियम में इतने बड़े शोज मुझे पता नहीं होते होंगे, पर इससे बड़ा मुश्किल बहुत दिनों से नहीं हुआ होगा. What a show this has been. एक बार इसके लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए. What a wonderful day. पूरा ऑडिटोरियम फुल है, दोनों आइल्स फुल है और उधर भी लोग खड़े. Wonderful, मजा आ गया. This is school number 5. Sahyadri National School, Varje, Balwadi. All right, congratulations. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए बजा दो. Well done, Sahyadri. Well done. All right, now calling the school that's on position number 4. MES Bal Shikshan Mandir, English Medium School, Kothur. Where are you guys? Come on, make some noise. Well done, and if you have medals, please bring them on stage. Bring in your medals, let us see all of them. All right, come on everybody, make some noise for MES Bal Shikshan Mandir. Up till now, I've only told you the amount of work that has gone behind making this event possible. Imagine the hard work these players have put in learning and practicing the sport for years, and then they have come here to claim these medals. What an achievement! What an achievement! Sir, thank you so much. Thank you to all our dignitaries. I would now like to call on stage Mr. Rajveer Murkute from Bhairavi and Mr. Amar Dighe. Sir, can we please have you on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to appreciate the efforts of a few more sports associations that have helped us immensely in making this possible. I would like to start with the Gymnastics Trust. Do we have a representative from there? The Gymnastics Trust. Pune District Judo Association and Pune Judo Association. I know that we have someone from there. I am pretty sure that someone from Judo Association is there. So please join us on stage. Skating Association of Pune. From Pune District Judo Association. And Pune Judo Association. Sir, thank you so much. Do we have someone from Skating Association of Pune? From Pune Metropolitan District Tennis Association. Do we have a representative from Pune Taekwondo Organization? There he is. Sir, might I say, you're looking very handsome. Pune District Table Tennis Association. Do we have a representative from Talim Sangh Pune Jilla? Representative from Talim Sangh Pune Jilla. There he is. Also, somebody from Pune Jilla Malkhambh Sanghatna. Do we have a representative from there? From Pune Jilla Malkhambh Sanghatna. All right. Never mind. Rajveer ji, thank you so much. I'll request you to please be seated. Mr. Chitle, I'd request you to please stay back. Amardeep ji, please. Is that all? Everything done? हो गया ना? कुछ बचा है क्या? Okay, okay. The vote of thanks, you mean? All right, ladies and gentlemen. It is now time to tell you the final awards for tonight. Are you ready for it? इतना loud सब चाहिए मुझे. ठीक है? This is the yardstick. This is the standard. Pune, are you ready for it? These kids are still louder, but you did well. You did well. Okay. Now the second runner-up school, ladies and gentlemen. They have bagged 76 medals, comprising of, yes, I think that needs applause. 26 bronze medals, 20 silver medals, and 30 gold medals. And their total is 236 points. Please make some noise for Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium School, Eranware. The second runners up. What an achievement. इसमें से कुछ बच्चे इतने छोटे हैं कि वो उसके पीछे दिखेंगे नहीं शायद. So I'll request our team to please help. The young ones can come in the center, but please keep the board visible. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm getting goosebumps right here. I'm thinking of my school days. चलो आवाज करो पूरे! The second runner-ups of the tournament that we played for not one, not two, 30 days. The Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar Schoolympics 2025. Guys, I request you to please move away from the... All the kids who are in front of the board, please come behind it because this is the picture that will be in the newspaper tomorrow morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the paper that you will see tomorrow, Sakar newspaper, that so many of these children will keep as a memory for all their lives. I remember saving so many of those newspaper cuttings. This is the moment that will be etched in their memories and in their scrapbooks forever. What an achievement. Wow.
That pervades everything. I feel it, though I do not see it. It is this unseen power which makes itself felt and yet defies all truth.
I want to tell you that Abhinav Vidyalaya has been in the top 3 since all the editions of Sakar Schoolympics. Year after year. And they have won gold 4 times. Amazing. Very well done, Abhinav Vidyalaya. So proud of all of you. Congratulations. Well done. I'll request all the students to please leave one by one. I'll request Mr. Dige to please be seated. And I would now like to call on stage from SB Realty, Mr. Ankush Bansal. Okay. Okay, we'll do a. The second runner-up's trophy. And look at this check, ladies and gentlemen. I will request Principal Ma'am to please say a few words. Swapnil Patil, Kot Bole Ma'am from the second runner-up school to say a few words.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged and honored to stand here as the principal of Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium High School and acknowledge the achievements of our winners. Thank you, dear students. It is your brilliant performances in the Schoolympics which have earned laurels to our schools. You students have made the school, your teachers, and your parents extremely proud. I would like to mention that many of our medal winners are also exceptionally good in academics. Heartiest congratulations to all the students of Abhinava. I would like to thank our President and Chairman of Adarsh Shikshan Mandali, Mr. V.N. Savan, Honorary Secretary, Mr. P.M. Zoshirao, and other members of the management for their unstinted support and encouragement. A big thanks to our sports teachers for coaching our students to achieve their goals. Congratulations to all the students of the schools who have participated in Schoolympics. And a big thanks to our parents for their support. Last but not the least, would like to thank Sakar for organizing these championships and providing a platform for the students to showcase their talents. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the runners-up? I don't know if you are or not, but the runners-up are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, I would like to invite on stage Team SB Realty. May I request all three of you to please join us here. Mr. Ankush Bansal, Mr. Devesh Agrawal, and Ms. Krishna Vaidya. So, Devesh, can you raise your hand once? He has played in this tournament when he was in school, and now he's supporting the championship. What a wonderful, the life has come full circle, right? एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए और SB Realty के लिए होनी चाहिए, दोस्तों. I am now going to tell you the name of the first runners-up, and the trophy goes to Millennium National School, Karvenagar! Let me tell you the achievement. They have 59 medals, 18 of them are gold, 26 silver, 15 bronze. Their tally is 247 points. What an achievement.
You caught me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You caught me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You caught me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You caught me with my pants down, pants down, 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 down.
Requesting the students to give us a little space. for the dignitaries giving away the prize as well. Chalo Millennium, make some noise! Three cheers for Millennium! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Let's pose for a picture and I'm requesting all the students जो सामने बैठे to please get aside. This is a picture that we want to put in Sakar newspaper tomorrow morning, so everybody should be able to see your achievement.
You got me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You got me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You got me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You got me with my pants down, pants down, 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 down.
All right, now requesting all the students to slowly get down, and I request the officials to stay back.
You got me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You got me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You got me with my pants down, pants down, pants down. You got me with my pants down, pants down, 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 down.
Requesting Swati Sardesai ma'am to please say a few words. How do you feel today?
हॅलो ऑल खूप छान वाटतंय मस्त खूप छान अचीवमेंट आहे आय टेक धिस अपॉर्च्युनिटी टू थँक ऑल द ऑर्गनायझर्स बिकॉज ऑफ देम आर स्टुडंट्स कॅन शोकेस देअर टॅलेंट I also want to thank our sports team. Their endless efforts and dedication, determination made this possible. Our parents, without them, we can't do anything. Their encouragement and support always with us. And last but not the least, our kids. They always make us proud. स्वामी विवेकानंद म्हणतात की हेल्दी फिजिकली फिट मुलांमुळेच देश बनतो. आम्ही हेल्दी फिजिकली फिट याचबरोबर टीम बॉन्डिंग, टीमवर्क, डेडिकेशन, लार्जर पर्स्पेक्टिव्हनी शाळेचा विचार करणारी मुलं घडवू शकतोय आणि याला सगळ्या मिलेनियम अख्ख्या परिवाराची मदत आहे. या परिवारातल्या ॲकॅडमिक टीचर्स, स्पोर्ट्स टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स, मुलं, ट्रस्टीज, त्यांच्या जोडीला आमच्याकडचे काका, आंटी हे सगळेजणं मुलांसाठी जे मिळून एफर्ट्स घेतात त्याचं हे फळ आहे. आणि आजच्या या समारोहात मी एक सांगू इच्छिते की इंडिव्हिज्युअलपेक्षा टीम गेममध्ये आम्ही अव्वल आहोत कारण आमचं टीमवर्क आहे. थँक्यू.
I could hear a lump in her throat, the emotions that she spoke with, and of course the pride in her voice was samajh mein aa raha tha. I mean, what a moment. So with that we end the day, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right, I want to tell you that Mr. Vanjade here from Aksharvale, our partner, is here. Sir, thank you so much. I'll request Hemant sir to please thank him on behalf of all of us for helping us put this together. Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar Schoolympics 2025, this brilliant tournament that we've had in the last 30 days, all that went on. Sir, please stay back. I'll request all our partners to please come on stage once. We want to take a group picture with everybody here. Harsh sir, can we please request you to come here? Team SB Realty, Mr. Ankush Bansal, Mr. Devesh Agrawal and Ms. Krishna Vaidya, Mr. Amar Dige, Mr. Murkute, Mr. Gaikwad, Mr. Rishikesh Kulkarni from W18, from Blue Ramp, Mr. Shirang, Mr. Vanjade, of course, everybody, Dr. Chawan, all our partners. Mr. Hingne from NPAV. All right, everybody, look at the cameras and smile. मुस्कुराइए आप, स्कूलम्पिक्स के फिनाले में है. Thank you everybody, thank you so much. विश्वजीत जी, अच्छा ओके, फोटो नहीं हुआ है दोस्तों. Please look at the gentleman in blue pullover. ये जिन्होंने ब्लू वेस्ट कोट पहना है, यही हमारे ऑफिशियल है भाई. कल अखबार वाला फोटो यही है, ठीक है? All right, thank you everybody. I'll request Harsh sir to please stay back. Sir, I'll request you to please stay back as well. Hemant sir, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that you've been waiting for. The winners. The team that has gone maximal and have won the most number of medals is Sihigad Springdale Public School. What go! May I request everybody to please come on stage. Okay, we'll do a special kind of clapping for all of them. But I think everybody has just phones in their hands. तालियां कैसे बजाएंगे आप? In a sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, they have won 92 medals. These are the champions of Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar Schoolympics 2025. Come on everybody, make some noise! For Sihigad Springdale, hip it! Hip it! Hip it! Please hold the trophy carefully, it's heavy and very big. All right, a group photo for tomorrow's Sakar, everybody. Look at the gentleman in blue. The gentleman in blue. सब लोग उनको देखिए, please. This is where you want to look for tomorrow's picture. Okay, make victory signs, everybody. Victory signs. Hands up in the air. Come on, make some noise. Let me tell you their achievement, ladies and gentlemen. They have won 92 medals. 29 of them were gold. 29 gold. 33 silver, 30 bronze. And they have gotten 276 points in the tally, making them the winner of Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar School Olympics 2025. And this award, of course, has a big trophy and a cash prize of 3 lakh rupees. I will request the school officials to please take a picture. For every winner here, we have a gift from Chitleys. And I'll now request Smita Sawant ma'am to please come here, say a few words.
Good evening, everyone present here. On behalf of the school management staff, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sakar School Olympics for the honor and felicitation bestowed upon our school for winning the first prize. School Olympics is an ultimate multi-sporting championship that brings together school children to compete, learn, and elevate their game. We sincerely appreciate Sakar School Olympics for providing such a prestigious platform that nurtures talent, sportsmanship, teamwork, and discipline among the young learners. This recognition is a good moment for our entire school and an encouragement for our students, parents, and teachers to continue striving for excellence in sports and overall development. Together, we could achieve this award and bring accolades to our school. We thank the organizers for their continued support and for inspiring schools to promote a strong sporting culture. Last but not least, I would thank all my sports team for this wonderful achievement and my dear students and parents once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations to everybody who's put together immense effort, I'm sure. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for you to come here. This has been a very important day. I want all the parents, जो बड़े लोग यहाँ पर आए, to imagine the day when they want something at school, a small certificate or a medal or a prize in anything. रात भर नींद नहीं आती थी. Whenever I used to win something, I used to stay awake all night thinking, oh my God, I've achieved something. At that formative age, it's very, very important for these kids to take away prizes like these home. And I want all of you, everybody in this room together, to please clap once for everybody. Keep clapping for everybody who participated, for everybody who volunteered for this event, for all our partners, and of course, for Team Sakar. Make some noise for Sakar, everybody, for doing this for all of us. This is Poonawalla FinCorp presents Sakar Schoolympics 2025. I've been your host, RJ Tarun. I thank all of you to come here. Now when you move out of here, move carefully and slowly. There are kids here. Aaram se jaiye.